bird race, hoping I don't end up in third place. I want to make it first before I die of thirst. Doing the do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do bird race.
Pardon me, does anyone ever win this race? Excuse me,
Young lady, leave them alone. Racing is their life. Their life is a race. They don't have time for someone who gets in their way.
Then their way? Of what way?
Of life! You gotta get in the race and make things happen for yourself, or you'll get left behind.
But what if I don't want to get in the race?
Don't tell me you're one that only watches from the sidelines.
But what if I don't win?
It's not about winning, it's being a part of it. Life in this world is a marathon until you're out of space. That rabbit is always hair and gone. If you're smart, you'll be like him and keep the pace. Join us as we're doing the do-do-do-do bird race, hoping I don't end up in third place. I want to make it first before I die of thirst. Doing the do-do-do-do-do-do-do bird race. See? You're doing great. It's not so hard to join the group.
You're right, but I never seem to fit in at school.
Well, you fit in here.
I do? Oh, wait, Mr. Rabbit!
Wait, little girl, you were just getting the hang of it. Don't leave. The queen won't be happy about this.
I'm sorry, I gotta catch that rabbit.
Doing the do-do-do-do bird race, hoping I don't end up in third place. I want to make it first before I die of thirst. Doing the do-do-do-do-do-do-do bird race. Take my advice and join the dodo bird race.